Before we get this video started, we did restock on the Webby's F30 hoodies and t-shirts. People have said this is the most comfy hoodie they've ever worn in their entire life. I won't even lie to you, for YouTuber merch, this hoodie and the t-shirts.
They ain't lying, that's a daily driver right there.
This is a daily driver. Very high quality screen print on both sides, so it will not come off. If you want to help support us and you like the videos, head down in the description, shopwebbies.com. Merch is live now. Today's a sad day, because even though we're getting a new car, that means a sacrifice had to be made. The old 340 is being sold today. This has honestly been the most reliable, powerful, and affordable BMW I've ever owned in my life. Like, I threw so many mods in it. I ran like a 10.5 at the track, 700 horsepower, beadlocks on the back, fire interior, big ass turbo, and this car has never missed a single beat, never misfired, never anything. So there's nothing left in this car. It's all cleaned up. I don't even have coins in the armrests anymore. Any second now, the dude is pulling up with the cash. We're gonna see a 340 right away for the last time. There she goes.
How do you feel about it?
A little sad about it. Take care of her. All right, man. Damn. That's it.
Can you text him and ask him how much to buy it back?
I'm about to call him right now. Damn, I'm actually so sad.
Just disregard the fire that just happened next door.
There was a whole fire going on during the entire car purchase.
Hellcats, SRCs, niggas come pull up on me. Ride a car fast, do the day.
Damn. Damn, I can't even see it anymore. I guess I've got to go buy a car then, huh? Today is the day, fellas, where I am buying the car that I wanted when I was 15 years old. I would go on like Forza Horizon 3 or whatever the hell it was called at the time, and I would spec out this exact car. This is the car that I've always wanted. I don't really have any dream cars, but I guess this is my childhood dream car. It literally worked out so perfect. The guy selling it is getting a G80. As soon as I sold the 340, he listed it for sale. So none other than the best to buy it from this man right here. And I can finally replace this shitty X3 so I don't have to drive it. Because I've been driving it for about 2 weeks with no goddamn cool cars. But now, I'm getting a goddamn cool car. Oh, Frank's F80 right there is the new car on the channel. Whoa, Frank, it's a little scuffed up right here. Brother, it's a little scuffed up right here.
Uh-oh.
What's that? 500 bucks off, right? It's detail. 500 bucks. 500. Hey, you're scratching the paint now. Oh, what about the bubble in the PPF? Like redoing PPF is what? $2,000, right? So now we're at 25,000 for the car, right?
Yeah.
Hell no. I didn't really want to buy a modified one. Kind of wanted a stock one. So Frank does have this thing pretty spiced up at the moment. It is on 93, so it makes like what? 450. About 450. It's an S55 car, F80 M3. I think this is the first time I ever sat driver's side on this car. I was in the back of this 3 days ago, hammered though.
Like comfy.
No, I was in the back seat. Oh. I was hammered for sure. There's also pure turbos on it, so that's already done.
I removed those.
You did remove them? So now we're at what? 16 grand for the car, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah, I think we're at 16 grand for the car now. It's kind of a different feeling because I've already seen this car 100 times, but now I'm gonna like drive it home and it's gonna be in my driveway in the morning. So it's a little bit different. Frank left to get the title. We're gonna see how weird this guy is. All right, well, that's a good start right there. Really getting into this here. What was this rag used for in the back seat?
Oh, buddy was getting down.
Why is it stuck together? Oh. Why is it stuck together? Little Frank Jr.'s in there. Checks out. Now I do have. Hey, Frank! Now when I was analyzing the back seat here. Oh, okay. We want to do some explaining here? Hey, give me do some. Hey.
Nah, that's a good rag.
Yeah, I can tell it was a good rag.
It was stuck together.
So can I do the honors?
Yeah. The transaction.
Put a rubber on it?
Yeah,
wrapped up?
Yeah, wrapped up.
You put a rubber on it.
That's that Trojan extra small.
Sorry for interrupting today's video, but as I've talked about many times in the past, Carly, we got a brand new car, and Carly offers full diagnostics, smart mechanics, so if you have problems with your car, they tell you how to fix it. And my favorite part is the coating option. So we have a brand new, well not brand new, but brand new to me, F80, with no coating on. We're gonna go ahead and plug in the Carly and see what kind of coating options we can do on the M3. So once you open up the app, that's gonna go ahead and connect to the OBD2 port. So right there off the bat, we can look at all the codes. We know there's none on here because this car is pretty dialed in, but we're gonna go ahead and look at the coding, customization. Right there gives you all the coding options. So these are actually like all the different modules that you can change with coding. My one and only complaint about this car is the start and stop button. Every single time you restart it, it thinks that you want the automatic start stop. So every time you come to a stop at a light, it turns the whole car off. And I absolutely hate that feature on these cars. So right here, we can go ahead and change the default to it staying completely off at all times. So then you just literally hit code just like that. And then it takes a couple seconds to code. Like I said, there's so many options on things to do. You can change like your heads up display. You can change what it says says when you turn on the car on the cluster and the head unit. So the coating finished up. So now I don't have to deal with the annoying start stop button anymore. So that's one of the many things I'm gonna use on this car with Carly. Like I said, I use Carly all the time on all my cars. You really have to get the app and see all the options for your car. Head down to the description, download the Carly app on your mobile phone and use code Wyatt. Thank you for Carly sponsoring today's video. Do I look good in here?
I'm fantastic.
Did you come home with me at the car?
Probably not.
So this is my first time in an M car driver's seat. What am I doing here? There's an
M2 twice, M1 twice, then blip the gas pedal.
M1 twice. And...
Yep.
Oh Lord. Yeah, see, I'm not used to all these fancy buttons and M shit. So I guess we go drive it, right? I mean, I already know everything about this car. That was the easiest thing about buying this car. I didn't have to ask any questions. Frank brushes his teeth with a BMW branded toothbrush, so that tells you about everything you need to know about this car.
Always stripping.
That's what M people do, right?
That's what your kind of M people do.
Well,
I get there's 3 dudes in here, but you're getting the wrong idea.
Yeah. So how do I do this? Because this is an automatic transmission, DCT.
If you don't know how to do this, nope.
All right.
Over.
Okay. I'm about to move it for the first time. Why do I feel so short in this? I'm 6'3". What? What are you laughing for?
Yeah, me too.
All right. Relax.
Come on.
Oh. All right.
You have to drive this.
I gotta figure out how to drive. You get like M coffee cups and shit now. And like, like an M hat, right? That's what you do. I need M baby oil. Remember that cool rapper that used to rap and be cool?
Yeah.
And then you... How do I go in cool mode? Do I click it once or
click it
3
twice.
times or 8?
2 times.
Times.
You see that tree right there?
Aim right at it?
Yeah, aim right at it, floor it.
Oh wait.
Turn around right
Oh,
there.
we're in an M car. Hold on, no turn signal. Oh, yep. And we just go like this to everyone.
Pretty much.
Doing my service. Hey, 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 hey. God damn, there goes the diff.
What do you know about it? Thank you, sir. Congrats on the G80.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yeah, I don't see it here.
It hasn't showed up yet, but it comes tomorrow. Hopefully. We did it. I grew up. No longer 3 Series. First dig in the F80, I'm a little bit scared of it. I ain't gonna lie, we got traction off. So I'm gonna ease into it. It makes like 450 right now. It's on 93. And look, we're even cool as hell. And we got ethanol sensors in this thing. So we're on E20. Let's see if first drive home I can hit into a guardrail. That'd be pretty sweet. Oh, hell no! I gotta learn how to drive a real drive car again. You know what it is? You know what the f it is.
Hold on, bro.
Hold on a minute. Tuck them easy now. Check them.
What time it is? Look like a 10
3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, fellas. Bro, this is nuts. This is nuts.
Wait, you actually did it?
This is mine. My name's on the title.
I'm proud of you.
Appreciate
I'm
you,
happy
sir.
for you. That's
Appreciate you,
great.
sir. That's my car. That's insane.
What the hell? You seen Wyatt?
He's literally been like running around the shop all day.
Huh. What the? Everything good over here?
My people need me.
Your people? Are you serious?
Yep.
You've had this car for 16 and a half hours and you already get a tattoo?
I'm not a 3 Series guy anymore. We briefly spoke about the mods on the M3. It has EU5 fuel injectors on it, which is like the upgraded big boys, so hella flow. Pure turbos, so it's good up to like 700-ish. Right now it makes like 450 because it's on full 93 octane. So we can put E85 in it, and I think it makes about 7 of them. So this thing's already fast as shit. We have the upgraded intercooler in there. There's like basic carbon all over it. It has a little, we got it on the mirrors. It also is on H&R springs, so that's why it sits so damn low already. Carbon spoiler, carbon diffuser. I think that might have came with the car. I don't really know entirely, but yeah, the car's already sick. It has a brushless stage 2 plus fuel pump in it already, so you guys already know what the plan is for this F80. Let's just say large. The only downside of this car is the diff bushings are shot, but these drugs.
Not mine.
Are they his?
Probably. Sweet.
Frank bought the diff bushings before selling the car, so shout out to him. We already have the polyurethane one, so we're probably gonna do that within the next couple of videos with the M3. Those diff bushings are shot. I got the M signal in the sky about 2 seconds ago. Is there any lag on this thing?
I think so.
If there's any lag on this.
Yeah.
All right, pray for me.
Just hold on to that thing.
Bro, that is comes out pretty fucking good. Bro, it gets loose so quick.
Oh yeah.
Next to him. Take it easy!
Take it easy, brother. Dude, he was wearing his button up. He looked good. He looked good for work.
I said, man, you want to go? He said, it's just not in my head yet.
That is.
Oh, so's mine. What you got an ECS tuning sticker for? That little posing motherfucker. First time in public, parking with the M3. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Hey, I know, man. Thank you. Hey, everyone can't take pictures at once now.
There's not one person here paying you a lick of attention right now.
He's looking over there. Look, he's recording us right now.
He's on his phone talking.
Hey, thanks, brother. Thank you.
This man's
Dude, I just
tripping.
got it. I just got it.
This man's just tripping. There's
They
not
like the car.
not a single soul here.
They really like the car. I appreciate that, brother. Appreciate you. I gotta go. I gotta stop it. I gotta go. And stop. You look good too.
Dude, it's a dude smoking a cigarette on his back porch. He's not.
Hey, he's talking about the car.
Was he?
Yeah.
I don't.
We gotta get out of here. There's too many people. I know. Take a picture of last long.
Good Lord, have mercy.
That was pretty wild. I mean, I do this car look cool, but I didn't expect that many people to like freak out about it like that.
Yeah, you had so many people losing it.
Yeah, dude. I almost feel like
Outrageous amount.
I need like darker tint in this thing now. You didn't hear that one girl over there? She said, "Wow, he's so handsome and cool."
You must be hearing things.
Dealing with rear-wheel drive again is a little sketchy. Bro, that is wild. That's us now right there.
Oh, blue.
M3. So I just want to give a big thank you to everyone who watches all the videos, buys the merch, supports me, Travis, Stefan. None of this would have been possible without you guys watching the videos, of course. I was able to get my childhood dream car, so I'm very thankful for that. Only in the car for about, what, 20-ish hours, if that?
Yeah, if that.
But we're headed to Pennsylvania for our first mods already because we're not waiting on this one. We're done. No more burnouts.
No way, no.
No more burnouts. We got clutch codes already.
Not like that at all.
Nah,
What did it do?
just back and forth. It spun a little
It
bit.
was catching, yeah.
Whenever you heard it go up in the R's, that's when both
This
tires.
is why I own 3 Series cars.
Hey, these diamonds, they shining. Came from Johnny. It ain't never been too hard to find me.